Welcome back to Dilemma's Concepts. I'm looking at a geometry questions in this segment. So the question says, MK, RT, BD, and GS are shown where MK is parallel. This is a symbol for parallelism. So MK is parallel to RT and BD is perpendicular to GS. So the measure of angle MHK is 34. I'm going to put that on. MHB is 34. I'm going to put that on right here. We also get that the measure of angle GZK is 56. GZK is 56 right here. Put that on. So always label your, it's good to label the diagram as soon as possible. It does give insights into, where you want to go. Also, the measure of angle WHZ is 9x minus 2. So here it is that we have an expression for WHZ, which is right here. So we got 9x here. We got this to be 9x. Let me change the color. We got this to be 9x minus 2. That's right here. Also, we got the measure of angle WPN, which is right here. We got that to be 8y. All right. So this is information that we have. So with this information, we're now asked to find the value of x, find the value of y. So let's say we want to find the value of x, right? So the value of x. So if we're asked to find the value of x, what we want to do is to look on ideas with x and then try to form some relationship. For example, in this case, we're seeing where we have 34 here and we have 9x here minus 2. But if we take a closer look on the lines, we're going to notice something. What are we going to be noticing here? We're going to notice that these lines here, I'm going to try to put them in pink. This line here, which is MK, intersects BD. So when two lines intersect, we can say vertical angles are formed. And vertical angles are actually congruent. And congruence would have meant that they are actually equal. So on that basis, we're able to take the values of these angles because the lines cross path, we have vertical angles formed. That means 9x minus 2 is equal to 34. So on the basis of congruence, because vertical angles are congruent, we can now use the definition of congruence to say that they are equal. So in this case, what we're going to do is solve for x. How do we solve? We're going to be adding 2 to both sides. So now 9x is equal to 36. So divide both sides by 9. X is equal to 4. So there it is. We found the value for x. It is 4. All right. Now we want to find the value of y as well. So value of y. All right. Again, I'm seeing y here, as in 8y here, and I'm seeing an angle, right? So what I'm going to do is to take a look at how could I relate this idea, right? How could I relate the idea? I could do this. Take a look. We're actually looking at this line here. We're looking at this line, RT. RT is parallel to MK. Those lines are parallel. And not only that, those two lines were actually cut by a transversal GS. 56 corresponds with 8y. So we could take a look here that angle, the measure of 56, it does corresponds. It corresponds with the angle at 8y. So the angle GZK corresponds with WPN. 8y is the same thing as 56. We're able to say 8y is equal to 56. So if I want to find y, I divide both sides by 8. So y is equal to 7, 7, 8, 56. So there it is. We have found the value for y to be 7. There it is. So thank you for watching the Advanced Concepts. And that was just a quick video on how do we use vertical angles or corresponding angles to solve problems when we have algebra in it. See you next time.